Kevin, if you own a car in New York City, die tools gets from the lease, from the mortgage, from all of the tools of the car, how much is the averaging a man in New York City camera tickets?
The average guy that lives in Brooklyn, who you're going to talk to, pays about between $50 and $100 a month. 1 or 2 tickets a month on speed camera tickets. Hopefully not red light tickets, because that's already reckless. But these, you don't even cap. It's 25 miles an hour, the speed. You drive by them and boom, you see the flash and it's too late.
Wow.
And wouldn't it be great if you had something that could warn you, hey, there's a speed camera coming up?
You're saying 1 or 2 tickets for a man. I live off Ocean Parkway. For a guy like me, Ocean Parkway is loaded with these. You're talking about 6, 7, 8 a month, which could cost you up to $1,000 easily a month. Now here she, show me the awesome device that your company came out with that could save thousands and even millions of dollars for Claudius through every single month.
Let's go for
jump in this car. Okay, everybody will be blown away by this new device that here she came out with. I'm eens gaan aanzetten doen. En zoek me. These cameras are there for our safety. Now you tell me, if it's there for our safety, why are they hiding behind trees?
Again, it's not a secret that New York City makes millions of dollars off every single camera.
Okay.
Je seatbelt aan voor safety. Hier kent deze blok. Maar komt eraan van Bouwpark en zeggen, coming off Fort Hamilton. Fort Hamilton is going too slow, so you turn off Dale up 12. Let's drive down 12th Avenue. Let's see what happens here. We're on 12th Avenue. Driving up.
Oh, have you saw that? That light just popped on.
Why did the light pop on? We got to see somewhere hidden behind these trees here. I'm going to go slow so we can pick it up. Oh, here it is. You see behind the tree, behind the electric pole?
Right over there.
It's a camera. So this is on. It's going to stay on as long as I'm in the zone of the camera. The second I'm out of the zone,
okay,
which is about now, I'd say, about 100 feet. Here we go.
It went off.
It went off. So
unbelievable.
The battery stays. So the reason we keep the light to the minimum, that means even if there's going to be a camera on the next block, but you stopped at a red light, you don't need the light shining in your face, and also to conserve the battery as long as possible. You don't need to be using up the battery. You're not looking to charge this,
How often
for a
you
long
have to charge
time.
it?
I would say maybe once in 3 weeks. It comes with a little magnetic charger. You pop it on, it takes a second, it pops on. And
magnetic charger, you don't have to push it in.
Yeah, you see if it's charging. I'm not sure if all the new boxes come with magnetic, but they used to come with it at least.
Green light charging.
I just take it off. I just charged it for a minute. I was at 90, you're at 100 from that little time. Or
wow,
it went to 92%.
Wow.
Battery.
So it works through an app.
The last time I actually charged it in full was probably 2 weeks ago. I'm at 92%. So it doesn't use a lot of battery.
So it works through an app.
Okay. Now, again, you don't need to have the app open. The app is closed. I don't have any app open. I don't need an app open when I'm driving. As long as you have the app on your phone and has location services turned on to allow to pick up, for your phone to pick up services, it's going to work. Now, a lot of people reached out since yesterday. We sturen zich met CamCrusher phones, met Fig, met deze zaken. We have to work on it. We're looking into it. And it's again, if the Fig phone has ways, we should be able to use it. Of 100%. Course, the filters let through this app. It's a CamCrusher app. All it does is picks up data from maps and gives you the data by Bluetooth, connects and shows you over here, just as a warning. So
people asked me since yesterday's video, is this in the whole Brooklyn, the whole New York, the whole New Jersey? Where is it exactly?
So this actually works in the entire United States.
Really?
Yeah. Hopefully Canada and some other countries are in the work.
Etzisruel?
Etzisruel was. People from Etzisruel reached out, not yesterday, but within the last few weeks, people from Etzisruel reached out.
Unbelievable.
How can we get it? I don't know yet. Etzisruel is a different. Yeah.
So the pricing, let's talk about the pricing in a minute.
So the pricing is $90 for the unit.
Okay, for the piece.
Per piece, and it includes the first year of service.
First year of service, okay.
After that, after the first year, there is a $4 a month charge for the service, and that's it. Your device breaks, you call up the company, you get a new one. The device is warranted. As long as you're a member, you get a new device. And with the Perlowitz promotion, it's $72. People are buying them. I'm going to keep the Perlowitz promotion like we spoke another week. Maybe we'll extend it. We'll see how many units go. But Hashem, the response has been great. People who are using it already for the last few weeks. One guy reached out to me and he said, he came to my house 7:30 this morning. He came to me, he's like, give me 3 more. I know you're going to sell out. And he bought a few more.
Once you're Perlowitz, you sell out, man.
He bought a few more, and hopefully the oil will save a lot of money with it and sets on a tailors for everyone.
Definitely. Let me ask you a personal question now. Legality, the police don't care about it, the city doesn't.
It's legal. It's the same legal as you have on Waze. The difference, which a lot of people ask, is why is this better than Waze? You saw in the car. The light comes into your face 150 feet before the camera, not a half a mile before. The Waze is giving you the cameras. If you're driving down 13 at 43rd, they're going to tell you speed camera coming up. There's a camera on 65th. I'm turning down 54. I don't need to know about that camera. I don't want to know about that camera.
So this is legit, 100 feet before the camera, only the camera that you're going to hit.
Correct.
Somebody told me another yiddish over here, a different guy who just bought it. He said it's like a red light and it looks like a brake light from the car in front of you. So you naturally brake because you think the car in front of you is braking. So it's not like you're actually going to brake when you see that.
Correct. And again, you can mount it wherever you want. It doesn't have to be mounted specifically right in the front. People don't like, they want the front to be covered. You put it on the side a little bit, put it here, put it somewhere where you're going to see it, put it down here. At night, the light is strong. A solid light is a speed camera, a blinking light is a red light camera. And listen, I got behind it because I'm using it and I enjoyed it, and it's a great...
Okay, I'm going to put the link on the screen, Chavre, over here, and we're going to put it after the video. Chavre, save yourself money, buy a gift for somebody, it's the best gift. You have a driver, you have a company. What's with that? Somebody has a company, 20 trucks on the road.
Correct, so I have to update the website to make sure that you should be able to order more than one piece at a time. So we didn't have that yet. Hopefully it'll be updated in the next day or two, quantities. And I've had already people reach out. I have 10 trucks on the road and my drivers are getting tickets one a day.
Wow.
Some companies, the service companies, they're rushing from one job to the next. They're trying to get there in time, and the driver is not paying attention, and they do get tickets.
Not paying attention, not paying the tickets.
Correct. They don't feel it. Some people take it off, but whatever. So yes, I'm going to update it, which will be able to order multiple units. The promotion is going to be live on multiple units, of course, as well.
So put into the promotion code, put the word Perlowitz, Perlowitz, and you get 20% off. Sorry, it's $18 off.
It's 20% off.
20%
That's
right.
20% off.
Chavre, that's my lechting tug.